Now, if you read the instructions on your homework, it says in one section to do it by direct substitution, in the other section to do it by synthetic substitution. Direct is the first way, synthetic's the second way. So that's how I'll do your homework, but I'm telling you, if you like the bottom way better, you can do it on every problem. Totally welcome. I'm not big on that, you have to do it this way, you have to do it this way. Whatever way you find that you like, if you get right answers, do it that way. It's the beauty of math, there's usually lots of ways to get to the right answer. Okay, but I am going to go ahead and do it the way they said to on this one, which, the one advantage of this is notice I didn't have to rearrange anything. Because if you look at this one, it's all out of order, right? So if you wanted to use the synthetic trick, you'd have to make sure to go 5x to the fourths first, then negative 1x to the thirds, then 3x squareds, then 8x, and then there is no constant, so plus 0. You have to do all those things. But if you're doing direct substitution, you're going to stick it right in. We would say 8 times 2 plus 5 times 2 to the fourth minus 3 times 2 squared minus 2 to the third. That's 16 plus 2 times, well, I'll do it in steps for you, sorry. 2 to the fourth is 16. 2 squared is 4. 2 to the third is 8. So that's 16 plus 5 times 16. What's 5 times 16? 80. 3 times 4? 12. And then minus 8. The sign stays with the number. This would give me 96. Minus 12 is 84. Minus 8 is 76. Yeah? I'm going to double check my arithmetic. 96, 84, 76. Yeah. Just be careful, because if you wanted to do this one synthetically, it's easiest if you put it in order first. So you would say 5x to the fourth minus x to the third minus 3x squared plus 8x plus 0. You have to have that 0 for the constant too. And then, Tim, you would just take the coefficients. 5, negative 1, negative 3, 8, 0. What number do I put in the box? 2. Then we drop it 5, multiply 10, add 9, multiply 18, add 15, multiply 30, add 38, multiply 76, add 76. Again, you can do all of them either way you want, whichever one you like better. Bottom one, I'm going to do synthetically like the book says. What's the biggest power of x you see? X to the 4. So we'll start with that one. That's an 8. If that was to the fourth, what's x to the third? 12 is the coefficient. Good. Coefficient of x squared? 6. Coefficient of x? Negative 5. And then the constant is 9. In the box we put negative 2. Alright, drop the first one. Then we multiply, that's negative 16. Then we add negative 4. Multiply, positive 8. Add 14. Multiply, negative 28. Add negative 33. Multiply, positive 66. Add 75. And that's it.